Paul from Southwest has a question about attic ventilation.
That's because he just got a new roof.
Okay.
Paul writes to us, this old 1966 two-story house of ours is hotter upstairs. So the contractor reinstalled twirlybird vents in addition to my ridge vents to help out. Should I have these removed? What say you?
So how'd that work out for you?
Apparently not well.
If we could cool your second floor down with a couple of twirly birds, we'd be putting them on all the structures in town and get rid of the air conditioner.
How many of those you see in your neighborhood?
Yeah, that's not a good idea.
No, and I mean,
should you get rid of them?
Paul, we're laughing with you, not at you.
No, a lot of people think attic ventilation is going to cool their house.
Right.
It gets rid of moisture in the attic, and the heat does rise and it does leave, but your air conditioning system and your insulation and your radiant barrier, that's the stuff that keeps the heat load down. And of course, your air conditioner is the one that cools the house. It pumps the heat out from the inside to the outside. And as far as should they have been put on, no. Are they there now? Yes. If you left them there or took them off, would the world end? Probably not.
Well, but coincidence is not causality. The world may end.
That's
one
true.
Way or the other.
Absolutely. The rapture might come.
At any moment.
But, or the sun could explode.
Right.
In 500 million years.
Fantastic.
But the fact of the matter is it's up to you if you want to spend the money, but for everybody else listening, and the most important thing is don't do that, and don't let your roofers do it to you because it's not going to help. So you make your choice whether you want to take it off or not.
But if it was your house, would you like to stuff them and close them off at least?
If it was my house, it wouldn't have been done.
Well,
so people ask me that all the time. If I bought the house and that roof was brand new and I saw them up there and I'm thinking, I love the house. Nothing is perfect. I would have them removed and I'd have a piece of metal put down and I'd have the shingles woven in because it's a new roof and it's going to be there for 30, 40 years. So I would remove them. But that doesn't mean at this point you have to. I'm just telling you it wasn't a good idea.
Where the ridge vents are concerned, I've heard Jim at Ideal say that when you add those in with ridge vents, it's like poking holes in a straw.
Well, yeah, those things start to spin.
Right.
And so they create a suction.
Right.
And they really do work. I mean, they pull the air out, but something has to feed it, so the air goes in the ridge vent and out the ventilators, and it doesn't do anything.
Okay.
You're not pulling heat out. You're just pulling air in and out real quick from the closest source, and it's probably going to be the ridge vent. And that's not supposed to be an intake. It's supposed to be an exhaust. It's very complicated.
You make a decision. So
yeah, no, I'm not making decisions for people.
I'm glad we were able to make
that's why I got 6 ex-wives.
Easier for you. He doesn't have 6 ex-wives.
That's okay.
He has 3. All right. You got questions? Send them to us.
One counts as 2.
Actually,
she was a handful.
That's true. I remember the first. Okay. Send us your questions here for HomeShowRadio.com, boys and girls, and we'll answer them just like these videos over here. And please subscribe to our channel.